Guys, let's talk about CDC Pro 15, the last mock of CL. And in last mock of IMS SimCat 19, I scored 40 marks in VARC, and in this CDC Pro 15, I got -1, which was devastating. So what really happened, what did not happen, अभी मैंने उसको analyze नहीं किया. I'll analyze it and see. And in QA and DLR were on easier note. On easier note I would say कि एक दो सेट आराम से बन सकते थे, but I made a mistake, तो उसकी वजह से मेरा एक सेट में 2-3 क्वेश्चन बना and I missed on other 2 questions. तो DLR में 1 or 2 sets were easily doable. Talking about QA, I think in QA also there were 5, 6, 7, 8 questions. Sorry, 7, 8 questions which could have been cracked अगर आराम से बहुत सेंसिबल अप्रोच के साथ उसको फॉलो किया गया होता तो. So the key learning is, see, I want to give to you or what my takeaway is. In VARC or in DLR section or in QA section, you have to tackle one question or one passage or one thing at a time, and you have to make sure how to deal with that question. Dealing in the sense like either you leave that question or you think about that question for 30 seconds, 40 seconds, or you solve that question. Whatever XYZ you do, you have to make sure that you do not waste a lot of time. For example, in one of the QA questions, I spent 10 minutes. So you should not do that, right? You should avoid doing those mistakes. And these are the takeaways which you should carry from your test and mocks, and try not to make it on the final day of the examination. So this is in nutshell the learning, that deal with the questions in the sense that you should not waste too much time on a question that it costs you कि और 2-3-4 क्वेश्चंस हो सकते थे बट वो नहीं हुए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन VARC इन वन क्वेश्चन इन लास्ट पैसेज आई स्पेंट अराउंड 13-14-15 मिनट्स, बट देन आई कुड हैव सॉल्व VA के 3-4 और क्वेश्चंस जो कि बहुत ईजियर नोट पे मेरे को समरी के क्वेश्चंस लगे. उसमें से मैंने 3 किए और तीनों मेरे करेक्ट हुए. एंड रिमेनिंग आई टोल्ड आई गॉट -1, सो बाकी सारे गलती हो गए होंगे. सो आई एनालाइज इट. सी, दिस इज टू लाइक scores will go up and down. Analyze it, see where it went wrong, and kind of try to get the things together and maybe put it in one nutshell on the D-Day. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye, take care.